Now I have Ken McLeod with me, President and CEO of Sonoro Metal, a company we want to go into production with a gold operation in Mexico. Ken, good to have you here at PDAC. It's a pleasure every year to be here and meet with your management team. Let's talk about straight into your last press release of the company. You said that you want to start drilling again. Is that the right understanding, and what do you plan with your exploration program?
Yes, we plan a significant increase in the number of drill holes we're contemplating. The goal over the next 2 years is to significantly increase the size of the resource. As you know, Wolfgang, we have identified a 200,000 ounce deposit at the moment with a grade of 0.55 grams per ton. And we've also identified a much larger zone of mineralization in various parts of the property. And the goal over the next year and a half to 2 years is to properly identify the potential for each one of those zones, and possibly even compile some of the zones into one larger zone. The current profile, pit profile for an open pit heap leach oxide deposit and processing that would be on the basis of producing 3,500 tons per day, which would generate in the order of about 24,000 ounces a year of gold. Now that would be the opening size, the initial size of a pilot plant. And the expectation is that as we increase the size of the resource, which is very plausible, then we would continue to scale the size of the plant up to accommodate the larger resource as well. And within the next 2 years, we should be able to identify the optimum size of the future plant for the project.
So Ken, that means you want to go into production as soon as possible, start with that heap leach operation, generate cash flow, profits, and put that money back into the exploration development of the bigger potential and upside of the project. Is that a correct understanding?
That's a correct understanding, Wolfgang. The essence is our technical team have a history, a very successful history of taking projects from the early stage of exploration all the way through to initial pilot plant operation and eventual large-scale operation. We're not cutting new ground here. We are simply taking a tried and trusted method of introducing an initial pilot plant to the project, which would then contribute to the ongoing cash flow starting in about 2 years' time. And that cash flow would then be able to enable us to continue with a drilling program, a significant drilling program. And over the past couple of weeks, we've finished off an internal report that has suggested that over the next 2 years, we should be drilling somewhere in the order of 40,000 additional meters in order to expand the resource. And I cannot tell you right now at the end of the day how much of a resource we do expect, but it will be significantly higher than what we currently have of the 200,000 ounce deposit. And so the cash flow from the future operation of the pilot plant will enable us then to drill as many holes as we want with no dilution to the shareholders going forward.
That is what we would like to hear, especially as I'm a shareholder as well. Under the MiFID law, I told you I'm a shareholder and I have to outline it because of a conflict of interest. But Ken, thank you very much for that explanation, and hopefully we can start that operation soon. You have great people in the team. I have spoken to them already, and I want to see the next phase of exploration, increase the resource and hopefully find additional ounces of gold, and then the stock should go up because the market cap is currently only 5 million Canadian dollars. That's ridiculous cheap, as a lot of companies here in Toronto at PDAC. But I think the story is excellent because the track record of the team and management is really so good that we can believe they can deliver that pilot plan and cash flow and operation. That's the reason why we think the dilution factor is very important of each junior company. And thank you very much, Ken. I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I totally recognize that you have captured the essence of our plan going forward. It's a pleasure to work with you and look forward to having a successful year.
Yeah, and hopefully we see you soon in Germany as one of those conferences we host together with other people in Germany. Thanks a lot.
We'll do that. Thank you, Wolfgang.